Hi friends, today I am going to explain about H parameters, model for CE configuration. H parameters. The parameters are determined by short circuiting the output and open circuiting the input. Consider the two port networks like this, and this is input voltage, this is input current, this is output voltage, and this is output current. In this, the input current I1 and output voltage V2 are taken as independent variables. The input voltage V1 and output current I2 can be written as using H parameters as V1 is equals to F1 into I1 V2 and I2 is equals to F2 into I1 comma V2, that is V1 is equals to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. Take it as first equation. This is KVL. I2 is equals to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Take this as second equation. This is KCL, where H11, H12, H21, H22 are called as hybrid parameters. H11 and H21 are determined by making output short circuit, that is V2 is equals to 0. Output means V2. Then V2 is equals to 0. Equation 1 becomes V1 is equals to H11 I1, because V2 becomes 0 here. That's why V1 is equals to H11 I1. Then H11 is equals to V1 by I1, where V2 is equals to 0. We can also say it as HI. HI is equals to H11 is input impedance in ohms. Equation 2 becomes I2 is equals to H21 I1. H21 is equals to I2 by I1, also known as HF, where V2 is equals to 0. Now HF is equals to H21 is forward current gain. Then H12 and H22 are determined by making input open circuit, that is I1 is equals to 0. Now we should make input as I1 is equals to 0. Then equation 1 becomes V1 is equals to H12 V2. Now I1 became 0, so H12 is equals to V1 by V2, where I1 is equals to 0, also known as HR. HR is equals to H12 is reverse voltage gain. Now equation 2 becomes I2 is equals to H22 V2. H22 is equals to I2 by V2, where I1 is equals to 0, also known as H0. H0 is equals to H22 is output admittance in ohms. Advantages of H parameters. They are easy to measure. H parameters are real numbers up to radio frequency, readily supplied by manufacturers, easily converted from one configuration to other. They are convenient to use in circuit analysis and design. They can be determined from transistor static characteristic curve. Now H parameter model for CE configuration. This is the circuit of CE configuration. Now this is HIE. This is input current. This is output current. This is HRE V2. This E is emitter is common. Base is input. Collector is output. This is HR V2. This is H0. This is VC. Now H11 is equals to V1 by I1. This came from equation 1. So in the circuit V1 by I1. Now V1 means VB, I1 means IB, where VC is equals to 0. This is input impedance. Now H12 is equals to V1 by V2 from equation 1, VB by VC. V1 is VB, V2 is VC. So IB is equals to 0. Reverse voltage gain. H21 is equals to I2 by I1, IC by IB. I2 is IB, I2 is IC, I1 is IB. This is forward current gain. H22 is equals to I2 by V2 equals to IC by VC. This is output admittance. So hope you all understood the H parameter model for CE configuration. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.